I do chores at home. I wake up at 7. It is Saturday morning. I am at home today. I do not go to school. I help my family. My mother is in the kitchen. My father is in the living room. My sister is in her room. We are all at home. It is a busy day. My mother says, "Please help." I say, "Yes, Mom. I want to help her. I am a good son. I like to help." First, I make my bed. My bed is not clean. The pillow is on the floor. The blanket is on the chair. I fix my bed. I put the pillow on the bed. I put the blanket on the bed. I make the bed nice. Now it looks good. I feel happy. Next, I clean my room. My room is messy. Books are on the floor. Clothes are on the bed. Toys are everywhere. I pick up the books. I put the books on the desk. I pick up my clothes. I put the clothes in the closet. My room is better now. There is dust on the desk. There is dust on the shelf. I take a cloth. I clean the desk. I clean the shelf. The window is dirty. It is not clean. I open the window. I clean the glass. Now it is clean. After that, I go to the kitchen. My mother is cooking. She is busy. There are many dishes. The sink is full. I wash the dishes. I wash the plates. I wash the cups. I wash the spoons. The water is warm. I dry the dishes. I put them in the cupboard. The kitchen looks clean. My mother smiles. She says, "Thank you." Then I sweep the floor. The floor is dirty. There is dust and paper. I use a broom. I sweep slowly. I put the dust in a bag. I take the bag outside. The floor is clean now. It looks nice. I feel proud. My father calls me. He is in the living room. He needs help. The table is dirty. There are old newspapers. I pick up the newspapers. I put them in a box. I clean the table. I clean the chair. The room looks better. There is a small carpet. It is not clean. I take it outside. I shake the carpet. Dust comes out. My sister needs help too. She is small. She cannot clean alone. Her toys are on the floor. Her bed is messy. I help my sister. We pick up the toys. We put them in a box. We clean her bed. She smiles at me. In the afternoon, we rest. We sit on the sofa. We drink juice. We talk and laugh. We feel good. Later, my mother says, "Please take out the trash." I take the trash bag. I go outside. I put it in the big bin. The yard is not clean. There are leaves on the ground. The wind is strong today. Leaves are everywhere. I take a rake. I move the leaves. I make a small pile. I put the leaves in a bag. The yard looks clean. My father says, "Good job." I water the plants. The plants are dry. They need water. I use a small hose. Water is cold. The flowers look happy. The leaves are green. I like the garden. It is quiet and nice. I feel calm. In the evening, we cook dinner. I help my mother again. I wash vegetables. I cut tomatoes. I put food on the table. After dinner, we clean again. There are more dishes. We work together. We clean fast. We finish quickly. The house is clean now. The rooms look nice. The floor is clean. The kitchen is clean. Everyone is happy. My mother says, "Thank you." My father smiles at me. My sister hugs me. I feel proud. I feel strong. I learned something today. Chores are important. Chores help the family. Chores make the house clean. Chores make me responsible. Every Saturday I help. I make my bed. I clean my room. I wash dishes. I take out the trash. I do not feel sad. I do not feel angry. I feel happy to help. I am part of the family. I am a good helper. Doing chores is good. It is good for me. It is good for my family. A clean house feels nice. I like clean spaces. Next Saturday will come. I will help again. I will work hard. I will smile. I will do my chores. Thank you for listening. Do not forget to like and subscribe if you like the video.